Hello, my name is Eli Hall. I'm with AMS Landscaping, and this video is about all this frost damage that we have received over the past few weeks and just throughout the winter. We've had an excessive cold winter here in Phoenix, and now that it's starting to warm up, it's a great time to cut these back. We're going to do an example of this Bougainvillea shrub here behind me. As you can see, it's got a lot of frost damage. When you get this much frost damage, they really do need to be cut back so they get fresh growth on the new parts of where the lawn, where the branches stem out, so the fresh growth doesn't have to be fighting and competing with all of the dead frost damage growth. As you can see, we cut this almost entire shrub back. A lot of the damage was throughout the entire shrub. We cut it completely back. It's gonna get a fresh start. We still got life. You can still see green in the branches here of this Bougainvillea, and it'll start to come back this month. Actually, the month of March, you'll start to see new growth, and this thing will pop right back up in the next few months. It'll probably get just as big, if not bigger, throughout the summer. So if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us here at AMS Landscaping on our website at AZ Lawns, and follow us on Facebook, and follow and subscribe to our YouTube page at AMS Landscaping. Make it a great day.